If you're looking for an AWS certification on Coursera Review, you're probably wondering whether Coursera is a good place to prepare for AWS certifications and start a cloud computing career. In this video, I'll explain the best AWS learning paths, who they're for, and whether they're worth it. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, check the discount link in the description. If you're completely new to Amazon Web Services, I recommend starting with the AWS Fundamentals specialization. It introduces the core AWS services you'll use every day, including Amazon EC2, Amazon S3, AWS Identity and Access Management, CloudWatch, Cloud Storage, Cloud Security, and Cloud Architecture. It's designed specifically for beginners and provides a strong foundation before moving to certification preparation. If your goal is becoming a cloud architect, the AWS Cloud Solutions Architect Professional Certificate is one of the strongest options on Coursera. It covers solution architecture, cloud engineering, serverless computing, data engineering, cloud infrastructure, IAM, DynamoDB, Amazon S3, and cloud security. It's an excellent choice for learners pursuing AWS Solutions Architect roles. For learners preparing for the certification exam prep, AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate focuses on the knowledge needed for the associate certification, including cloud architecture, IAM, cloud security, disaster recovery, scalability, networking, and cloud storage. If you're interested in an entry-level cloud support role, the AWS Cloud Support Associate Professional Certificate teaches AWS services, cloud automation, troubleshooting, infrastructure as code, CloudFormation, CloudWatch, customer support, and IT operations. It's a great pathway into cloud support careers. So, is AWS certification on Coursera worth it? For most learners, yes. The AWS created learning paths are well-structured, aligned with real cloud technologies, and help you build practical skills that employers value. They're especially useful if you're preparing for AWS certification exams or planning a career in cloud computing. The next question is whether you should buy one course or subscribe to Coursera Plus. Individual learning programs typically cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you also plan to study Azure, Google Cloud, cybersecurity, DevOps, Python, or artificial intelligence, purchasing each program separately can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better investment. It gives you access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs with one subscription. If you'd like to save on your subscription, check the discount link in the description before you enroll.